Today we will see how to use SDRAngel to receive ADSB signals from nearby aircrafts. Let's get started. First of all, select your input device as you open the program. In my case, it's my SDR dongle. Then you have to dial in the ADSB frequency. In my case, for Europe, the frequency is 1090 MHz. Very important, make sure your sampling rate is at least 2.5 million samples per second, otherwise the decoding is not gonna work. Now we need to attach the ADSB decoder to our source. Click the button and then select ADSB decoder from the drop-down menu. And that's the map where the decoded signal will show up once we can catch anything from a nearby aircraft. For the sake of the video, this is the setup I'm using to decode the signals. It's indoor and it's the dipole that came with the dongle, so I don't think it would decode much. And after a few minutes time, there you have it, your own ADSB receiver. I'm using a small dipole and I'm indoors, but as you can see, it's already decoding some signals. It's so satisfying to track what's going on above our heads. Now you can try it yourself. Let me know your experience in the comments. Thanks for watching 73.